What's the meaning of chanteuse? Chanteuse. Chanteuse.
Chanteuse. Chanteuse. Chanteuse is a French term that refers to a female singer, particularly one who performs in a cabaret or nightclub setting. The word has come to be associated with a certain style of music, often characterized by its romantic and emotional content. Chanteuses have a long and illustrious history in the world of popular music, with performers like Edith Piaf, Marlene Dietrich, and Edith Butler achieving great success in this genre. Today, the term chanteuse continues to be used to describe female vocalists who specialize in this type of music.